Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In page 10 and 11, we have the advanced identity map. These two pages show every single way that the letters can be written. These pages should be used in order to gain an understanding of all the different ways that each letter can be written. Every single word that we see in this qaida will be with these letters which have been written on these two pages, and students should look through each of the letters and try and understand exactly what is being shown here. So for example, we have the letters ba, ta and tha. Here it shows all of the different shapes that they can be written in. So ba, ta and tha, they will all have the same at the beginning, same in the middle, and it shows the way that we can differentiate and identify the letters is very simple. So all of the letters which have this shape and will have one dot at the bottom will always be the letter ba. If they have this shape and they have two dots at the top, they will be the letter ta. And for the letter tha, same thing, all the shapes and three dots at the top. Something new that we do learn here is the round ta. The round ta is also, it comes in the shape of a ha, but it has two dots at the top, which gives it the name the round ta. Now when we look at ta at the end, we see that along with the normal shape which the ba and the tha have, we have the ending which we can have the ha with the two dots at the top, and then there's the a bit of a point, a rounded shape which has the two dots at the top. So this is specific just for the round ta. So even when these letters and these ways of the ta come up, it will still be a normal ta. It's just because of this round ta which has been showed and mentioned here. When we look at the letters jim, ha and kha, again from the previous lessons we have learnt that jim will always have the dot at the bottom, ha has no dot, and kha will always have the dots at the top. Same with the letters ra and za. They are written in the exact same way. The only difference being is za has a dot at the top. Again, they will never be in the middle or in the beginning. So we have ra and za at the end. Again, same, it has been written in such a way where they will be looking like this at the end, and the only difference being that there is a dot at the top. Moving on to this page, we have the letters ayn and ghayn. Again, these are the only ways that you see that they are written in this qaida, and even in the Qurans that we will use, that this is how it will be written. So the difference being that ghayn has a dot at the top. We have the letters kaf, which will look as such in the beginning, middle and end, and same for all of the rest of the letters. One of the letters which can sometimes cause a bit of an issue is the letter ha, the small ha. One way which it can be remembered is that anything which is a bit pointy, so for example we have a pointy one here, this is the letter ha, or it has the two round circles, this is also the way that ha can be recognized. Another one which can sometimes be a bit confusing is the letter meme. Meme is majority of the time when we see in the middle here, it will be rounded. When it is rounded, it will always be a meme. If it's pointy, it will always be a ha. Then we have the letters noon, we have hamza and waw, and then we have the letter ya. Ya, which is very easily able to be identified with two dots always being at the bottom. Jazakallah, and see you in the next video.